Measurement Unit 1 Physics Class 11. Question 1. The respective numbers of significant figures for the numbers 5.000, 0.003 and answer 552. Question 2. Which among the following is the supplement unit? Answer solid angle. Question 3. The unit of solid angle is answer Stern. Question 4. The quantity having the same unit in all system of unit is answer mass. Question 5. Random errors can be eliminated by answer measuring the quantities with more than one instrument. Question 6. Systematic error can be answer either positive or negative. Question 7 is the dimensional formula of answer force. Question 8. Which of the following pairs has the same dimensions? Answer surface tension and force. Question 9. A dependent variable is answer effects. Question 10. Dimensions of kinetic energy are the same as that of answer work. Question 11. Which of the following is not a base quantity? Answer speed. Question 12. What does 1 millimeter equal in meters? Answer 0.001 meter. Question 13. How many base units are there in the International System of Units? Answer 7. Question 14. Which unit is used to measure the luminous intensity? Answer candela. Question 15. 1 light year is equivalent to answer 9.46 multiplied 10 power 12 kilometer. Question 16. What is the value of 1 nanometer in meter? Answer 10 power minus 9 meter. Question 17. Which instrument is used to measure mass? Answer beam balance. Question 18. The last count of a vernier caliper is typically answer 0.01 centimeter. Question 19. What is a scalar quantity? Answer a quantity with magnitude only. Question 20. The prefix kilo means answer 1000. Question 21. 1 angstrom A is equal to answer 10 power minus 10 meter. Question 22. A derived quantity is answer area. Question 23. The smallest measurement can be read with the screw gauge as answer 0.01 millimeter. Question 24. Which physical quantity has the unit joule? Answer energy. Question 25. The speed of light is approximately answer 3 multiplied 10 power 8 meter per second. Question 26. Quantity that has both magnetic and direction is called answer vector. Question 27. Which of the following is the fundamental unit? Answer mole. Question 28. The force required to accelerate 1 kilogram of mass by 1 meter per second square is answer 1 Newton. Question 29. Which of the following is the derived unit? Answer joule. Question 31 microsecond is equal to answer 10 minus 6 second.